Welcome to AC Tech Talk. I'm Kevin, and today I'm going to show you how to check the resistance on our inverter model CVA units. Locate your condenser fan motor wires. It's going to be the white plug with the 3 wires, black, red, and yellow. Go ahead and disconnect that plug. Take the wires that are leading to the fan motor. Turn your meter on ohms. Go ahead and take your test leads and stick them inside the plug. And we are checking resistance at least 20 ohms. Here you see we have 20.3. Go ahead and move your test leads to the other wire. And again, we are looking for at least 20 ohms. Here we have 20.3. And the last 2 wire combinations, we're going to check that as well. And again, 20.3. Since this is a 3-phase motor and all 3 ohm readings are the same, our fan motor is good.